Let them go back. Let them fight the rules. We are telling them to go back. Don't be a Foi infantilizado por um ofício. Start arresting them. You go back. Your president in this young man. What's wrong with you? I'm advising you to stand up.